Hello, welcome. My name is Monica, and this presentation is creating your policy manual using the PSA as your guide. Let's get started. Your policy manual. This is simply the policies and procedures of your company or organization. Essentially, this is your plan. You describe what you want to do. What would you like to change? Or how can you improve a task? This is what you will compile in your policy manual. Your manual can be a written document or an electronic document. With myself, I created a policy manual in PDF format for our company's holiday donation drive. This was basically a step-by-step process of how to donate items to our company's annual donation drive. Policy manual structure. The cover page will be the title of your policy manual. The table of contents will be the quick reference guide of your steps and page numbers. Summary of the plan will be your explanation of the main topic. In my policy manual, I had a purpose. I wanted the reader to know how to collect, save, and donate items. I knew specifically what I was asking for and provided a list of items. So think about your reader and what details you are providing in your policy manual. With benefits and effects, think about the benefits and effects of your plan. How will this plan help the reader? Who is this plan affecting? If your policy manual includes related costs, include the figures. Include the date of the manual so the reader will know how current the document is. Include credits for visuals or information you used. Now that you know the structure of a policy manual, here are the procedures to have in mind. Your policy manual procedures will be a step-by-step direction for your reader. Save time. No need to call or email others for answers. Your procedures will have the answers. Improve the knowledge of your reader. Your procedures will be providing a standard plan of action. Think of your policy manual procedures as a map for everyone, so that no one will be lost. Your actual manual can be a hard copy, printed out, and neatly organized in a binder, or it can be an electronic version saved on a network or device. It can also be an online version which can be added to your website. Now that you have an idea of what a policy manual is, let's get started on how to create your policy manual. In creating your policy manual, let's use the PSA as your guide. This is the problem-solving approach you will use to get your policy manual completed. This is a 5-step process that will keep you on track. Number 1, plan. Brainstorm your plan. Number 2, research. Find out the facts of your plan. Number 3, draft. Write or type out your plan. Number 4, review. Look over your draft with others and check if your message is clear. Number 5, distribute. Click send in an email or print out for distribution. That's it. Step 1, plan. Brainstorm your plan. What is your objective? What helps me is putting a plan into steps. What is first? What naturally comes next? Step 2, research. Find out the facts of your plan. What do you already know? Think of the questions a reader will have and provide the answers. In my research, I contacted the emergency shelters that we were donating to and asked them questions. I asked them, who do you service? And what do they need? So put the facts in a list, number them or bullet them, be clear and concise. Step 3, review. Conduct your own usability test. Check if you meet the needs of readers. Offer the policy manual to another person for them to review. Get feedback. See if it makes sense to them. Check if they have any questions. Include the suggestions into the policy manual. Now you have fully engaged your reader into the process. Rewrite and combine your plan and the reader's suggestions into a document. Step 4, draft. You are now ready to write or type out your first draft. You have done the research and you have followed the PSA process this far. Great! When you develop your first draft, think of some visuals you can include now or later. Now you can really get creative. Step 5, distribute. The 5th step of the PSA process. You are ready to click send in an email or print out for distribution. Congratulations! You have completed your policy manual with the PSA as your guide. Now people can use the policy manual. You can update it from time to time, polish it up, and keep it fresh for your readers. To summarize everything up, I think we got a lot done. You had a plan and wanted to put it into action. You used the PSA as a guide. Now your plan is a policy manual. I hope this presentation was helpful. You are welcome to view my policy manual online with the link attached. Thank you for listening.